say too, cause bitch, he ain't. But neither is you, bitch. Cause bitch, I see you, bitch, and I'm coming for your ass, bitch. I know your motherfucking cousin, bitch. I did your cousin hair, bitch, and she told me where you live. I gave that bitch 10% off of her hairstyle, bitch. Now I'm at your front door.
And we ain't gonna say no names. Cause we know you gonna see this last Miss Lady. Wanna motherfucking get your hair done. Let me shut up. Let me shut up.
You about to get messy. You about to get messy.
Let me shut up. Cause I told you, if you weren't gonna hear from it, I was.
Oh my God, sister. Okay. That's gonna be. I don't know.
We wanna say. Let's have a
She said back to sucking balls.
Okay, back to sucking balls.
Y'all know what? I like sucking balls. I think.
Let me go get my
Girl, I don't know what she doing again. I don't have nothing to do with it. But, girl, first time. Okay, say this is the dick. Okay, and this is the head right here. So, the thing about it is, when you want to get it popping, you always start by licking the bottom part. This is going to get the dick extra hard. You gotta lick the bottom part. You feel me? So when it's like this, you lick that motherfucker, and you lick that motherfucker, like right up underneath the head. It's like this little area. I don't know what it's called. So you just lick up under this area or whatever, and then that's gonna drive a nigga crazy. The shaft, boom, there it is. So you lick the shaft, but you know what? What really drive niggas crazy is when you giving him head, you cuff his balls, and you keep the balls cuffed in your hand, and you massage them as you. And when you giving, this is the perfect way to get some head. I gotta turn to the side. You take this first. You start off and you lick the shaft. Then you take your other hand. I call this the motorsport hand. And then you take the ball. Girl, I'm just trying to show them. So you take the balls, and then you take the hand, and this is the motion. So you grab the... Sis, if you don't stop swinging that motherfucker in my face, sis. So, she gonna show y'all her technique. She gonna show y'all her technique after I show y'all my technique. So you jiggle the balls in his hand, and you take... She said, I do days when it's just me and him. I get a bottle, roll his weed, give him fire head. See, that's what's gonna keep you... That's what's gonna get you a wedding ring, bitch. Rolling a nigga blunt and sucking on that dick as you rolling that blunt, that's gonna just keep you a nigga. Yes, Toy, this bitch and her white ass dildo.
So, I did know it's a dildo.
It looked like a white man named motherfucking Zachary.
Honey, Zachary fucks the shit out of me.
So, anyway, this is you take the ball,